Forget chatbots. This is a full-blown digital employee. It doesn't sleep, doesn't ask questions, just gets it done. Most people still think AI just answers questions, but the next wave doesn't wait for prompts. It acts on goals. That's where AI agents come in. Instead of reacting to prompts, agents act on objectives. You give them a goal, like find the cheapest flight to Lisbon and book it, and they figure out how to get there. They open your browser, search flights, compare prices, extract details, fill out forms, and send you the confirmation, all without needing you to guide them through every click. They're called agents for a reason. They act on your behalf. It's a bit like giving a task to an intern, except this intern doesn't sleep, doesn't get distracted, and can open 20 browser tabs at once without going crazy, or needing a coffee, or switching to YouTube after 5 minutes. AI agents can write code, scrape websites, summarize PDFs, emails, manage to-do lists, and even hand tasks off to other AI systems. In theory, they could automate anything you can do behind a screen, if you trust them enough. Right now, that trust is still limited. Agents are clumsy, they forget steps, they break things, they get stuck in loops or misinterpret what you asked. They're not magic, they're duct-taped workflows with ambition. You can already build simple AI agents using tools like AutoGPT or via platforms like n8n or LangChain. But it's not exactly plug and play. You often need to set up API keys, connect multiple services, and deal with errors when things inevitably go wrong. So while the tech is here, it's not quite ready for everyone yet. But the idea is powerful, because once agents get better at reasoning, adapting, and choosing the right tools, they could transform how digital work gets done. Not just assist with tasks, but take over the whole workflow. Maybe they're not ready yet, but they're learning, and that's how everything starts.